Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CI/CD pipeline to VPS using GitLab Runner, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring a CI/CD pipeline to a VPS using GitLab Runner, the first step is to set up your VPS environment. Ensure your virtual private server is properly configured with the necessary software installed, such as Git, Docker, and any other dependencies required by your application. Log into your VPS using SSH. Once inside, update your package manager to ensure all packages are up to date. Next, we need to install GitLab Runner. You can do this by using the official GitLab repository. After adding the repository, run the installation command. Now that GitLab Runner is installed, it's time to register it. To do this, navigate to your GitLab instance and obtain the registration token from your project or group settings. Back at your VPS, execute the command to register the GitLab Runner. Follow the prompts to enter your GitLab URL and the registration token. Choose an executor type for your runner, such as Docker or Shell, based on your project requirements. Once the runner is registered, verify that it is active by checking the GitLab interface. Now, you need to create a .gitlabci.yml file in the root of your repository. This file will define the CI/CD pipeline stages and jobs. Start by specifying the stages of your pipeline, like build, test, and deploy. Next, create jobs under each stage. For example, in the build stage, define the commands needed to build your application. In the test stage, outline the procedures for running your tests. Finally, in the deploy stage, include the commands to push your application to the VPS. Be sure to specify environment variables as needed, such as credentials for accessing your VPS. Once your .gitlabci.yml file is ready, commit it to your Git repository. Push the changes to GitLab to trigger the pipeline. Monitor the pipeline execution results in the GitLab interface. If any jobs fail, review the logs to diagnose the issue and make necessary adjustments. Adjust your GitLab Runner settings or job configurations as required. After confirming that your pipeline is working correctly, secure your VPS by setting up a firewall and other security measures. Congratulations! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.